Hey, how you doing? This is Syed from affiliateship.com and I'm back with another video. So today we're going to look at affiliate networks for promoting physical products. So if you're looking to promote physical products and you're looking for some affiliate networks where they offer physical products to promote that you can promote, then let's look at this video. Let's take a look and let's go through some affiliate networks. Okay, so physical products are fantastic to promote as conversion rates can in some cases be better than digital products. Many people enjoy receiving something that is tangible, they can see, they can touch, they can handle. It can also add some extra value as it's a physical item. In some cases, it can surely increase in value over time depending on the type of item. For example, if you take a look at the antiques market, sometimes the older and more rare the product, the more value it increases. So if you prefer to promote physical products rather than digital products for your own reasons, then here's some top affiliate networks that, popular ones, common ones that you can sign up to for finding physical products to promote. Okay, some of these also offer digital product offers, but you can just simply sign up to them and choose the physical products that you want to promote. So the first one, in no particular order, by the way. Okay, so the first one is eBay Partner Network. So of course you probably heard of eBay. Very, very massive company. It's an epic network, of course, with millions of products that you can promote. And I don't think you'll be limited in terms of niches. They have all the popular categories, almost all popular categories that you can think of available to you. This network is also PayPal friendly, so you can get paid by PayPal if that's your preferred option. Commissions structure is different slightly from typical affiliate program, and you can get paid between 50 to 7% of eBay revenue. Okay, so it's not like a percentage on the product, but it's on eBay revenue. Okay, I don't know how that works, to be honest, but of course you can, when you look into it, you can check it out. It's all depending on the category of products that you're promoting also. Okay, so they pay monthly as usual, and the minimum payout threshold is only $10. So with regards to geographic locations, they are offering the affiliate program, I believe, in about 13 countries, so it's kind of limited. So your country may be eligible or not, but best to check. Okay. Walmart is the next one. So Walmart provides a huge selection of products to choose from. The commission rates are between 1 to 4% for the majority of the categories. Amazon Associates is the next one, which is massive, of course, and it was one of the first actually to start the affiliate program back in the late 90s. And they're now the largest affiliate network in the world with millions of products that you can promote as an affiliate. Payout methods is, I believe, a bit slow as well, because you have to wait around 60 days or so to get paid. So they are still, despite all that, they're still a trusted brand. With that, you're likely to get more conversions subject to how and where you send your audience from and to the Amazon pages. For example, how you warm your audience up, how much trust you built up with your audience, and how you pre-frame them and you send them to the Amazon links. Okay, but with the Amazon links, of course, when they see Amazon, it's a very trusted brand. People like Amazon, so conversion rates could be higher for you. What I like about Amazon is that you can almost link from any product page, and within seconds your affiliate link is generated. So Rakuten Marketing is the next one, which was formerly known as Linkshare, and they also started around the time when Amazon started. So they've been around for almost 2 decades. With very high reputation, and they also have an A+ rating with the Better Business Bureau. Right, so Flex Offers is the next one, and of course it's also a massive network with over 12,000 programs on offer and increasing. They're also an award-winning network and proud of the fact that they assign you a dedicated affiliate manager when you sign up as an affiliate, which is great, as you can receive personal support from on help and support on promoting their offers. Although the standard payout is 30 days, you can reduce this to 30 days if you're a high performing affiliate. With regards to brands, you can find some of the top brands that a lot of people are familiar with and they like, such as Macy's, Skechers, Europcar, and thousands of more. Jet is the next one. Jet provides a massive products, physical products that you can promote. I think they're trying to be a bit, maybe like Amazon, perhaps, because they have all sorts of products that you can promote. On their website, they cover the general lifestyle categories such as home, fashion, electronics, beauty, and much more. CJ Affiliate is the next one. CJ Affiliate, I believe, used to be called Commission Junction. And of course, they're a big player, been around for years. You can find many brands that you most likely know and like, and you can certainly find some passion products that you can promote. When it comes to payment, as typical with many networks, you get paid monthly with CJ Affiliate. And also please be advised that if you're starting out, you have little traffic on your websites, brand new website, they may not approve you, so just consider that. Okay. Target is next one. As you may know, Target is a trusted online store, and its affiliate program allows you to promote their products. You can earn commissions of 8% on some popular lifestyle categories. They also offer a 7-day cookie, so you've got a bit more chance when your prospect doesn't buy at first visit. So when you come back, you got 7 days. So that's good. One limitation is that it's only available to US, Canada, and Mexico, I believe. So there is some limitation there. It's not available globally. Share a Sale is the next one, and it's an established affiliate network with almost 2 decades since it started offering affiliate programs. They have over 3,000 affiliate programs available in a variety of niches, including food and drink, art, music, health, business, and much more. A lot of the brands are popular brands as well, so you have plenty to choose from, and you'll probably find a selection of products that you can promote in your niche. A large selection, so let's say. They pay out monthly as standard with many affiliate networks. So that was Share a Sale. Okay, so next one is Pepper Jam. Pepper Jam has over 1,500 merchants, and they pay twice a month, which is good. So every fortnight, which is slightly better than getting paid monthly, I suppose. So also you can get paid sooner, of course, for every fortnight. They also have a PayPal payout option, and a lot of networks don't have that, so this is good as well. And yeah, so that's Pepper Jam for you. That's one network. So I think that's about it, actually. So as I said, promoting physical product in almost any niche is very possible with so much choice and variety that you have. The affiliate networks mentioned provide an extensive selection of physical products that you can promote, but please be advised that some of the affiliate networks will review your website, see if your website is suitable and a good match for their offers, and if your site is generating traffic as well and has the content and looks genuine. So remember that. Okay, so that's about it. If you like this video, please comment, like, and subscribe. And if you'd like some affiliate resources, to help and grow your business, I have something that I'd like to share with you. Okay, here we go. So this is it. So if you go to affiliateship.com/free, you can get some free affiliate resources that I've put together. And yeah, so that's it for now, and thanks for watching.